Alright, see what else we got. Got the big light box. Sunton ink. Made in China. Out of LA though. At least that's where the box came from. Let's see what's in the box. What's that, a gas tank? No. Vanguard of some type. Oh. Good part. Horn. Panhead trumpet horn. With a part missing, the screen's missing off it. And it's been hit and broken. So this would be a runner, not a shower. Supposedly these things are supposed to work. Not sure how you would really know. Looks bent. Yeah, it's bent in too. Needs to be bent back. Someone fell over. So this needs to be moved that way. To tap it. Bring it back to where it's supposed to be. Oh well. It's definitely all beat up. If it works, it's worth the money. If it don't work, it ain't worth crap. So I think supposedly they're supposed to work. Problem is these are 6 volt. And who knows if it's actually 6 volt worked or not. I don't really have anything around here 6 volt anymore. Got 12 volt. Should still work on 12 volt, just be really, really noisy. Let's see if it makes any noise. Makes noise when you drop on the floor. Does that count? Okay. Got little jumper wires right here off the toolbox. Don't touch these leads together. Red's hot. Black is cold. So I don't know which one's which, so we'll just guess. It said this stuff worked. Works on 12 volt. Yeah, works. It's a good sign. Alright. One horn. Way back. Alright, we're back. Okay, the horn did work on 12 volts. I don't know if it's 12 volt or 6 volt horn, but it worked. Now, I think the horn is bent a little bit. So how do you straighten a bent horn? So if this is flat here, you put this in the press and put some pressure on it. Don't flatten it though. You hit this with a hammer to bend it back square. And you want to make sure you put something in here like wood or something next to this so it doesn't just buckle the side of it. And, you know, a piece of hard rubber works too. And you bend it back to where it's straight because it should be 90 degrees. But, anyway, this one here looks like it's bent in to me a little bit, so it needs to be worked on if we're going to keep it. The power pack does work, which is good. So the panhead, they use these from, if this is off a panhead, which it looks like it might be, then they use these from 50, what do they do it? For sure by mid 54. There's 3 different frames in 54. So I think early 54 had the Harley horn on it. Mid 54, I think they went to the trumpet horn like this, and they used it all the way on up from there. So this looks like it's the bend for the panhead. Now, if this is for a K model, I think they were flat, or a Sportster. So I don't think they had the down curve in them, and they actually went on the other side of the bike like this. So I'm not sure which version this one is. I forget right now, but it's one of them. So if it's Sportster, it'll fit the I think all K models had the trumpet horn on them, so 52 up to probably, I don't know if they ran it up in the electric start. Probably about 66 when they quit doing this kind of crap. The electric horn I think came out in 65 or 66 that they used, so probably about 264. Let's call this 64, and earlier they did this stuff. So then they quit using this. But anyway, I'll put down in the comments what I think this horn actually fits. But it's either a panhead or a Sportster. I'm thinking it's panhead though. You know, it comes down quite a bit, but it might be. We'll see. All right, that's what that is.